Hey guys, good morning. Today is Monday. I'm so out of it. I don't even know what day it is anymore. But I thought we would vlog today, which is exactly what I said I wasn't gonna do last week. But here we are, not for the whole week, just for today, because today is going to be a very busy and productive day. So I figured I would just take you guys along with me because you keep me company and you keep me accountable. Tomorrow I have plans with my friends that is going to take up like the entire day. So everything that I need to get done has to get done today. So yeah, I just woke up. I woke up late. I slept in for the first time in like a long time because I didn't get any sleep the night before. I woke up at like 2 a.m. and I couldn't fall back asleep until 6. So I got like no sleep the night before. I was just dead. So it's like 11 o'clock now. I'm about to head out. Well, I'm gonna change into my gym clothes because I want to go work out. But I need to go to the mailroom because my new, hopefully the right graduation dresses just came in the mail. So I'm hoping I like them. So I'm gonna go pick those up, do my workout, come back here. Right now I'm just having some coffee and watching some YouTube videos, but my car is getting transported back home. That's how I'm taking it home. And so my plan is to pack all of the non-essential things into my car before they pick it up. And since I'm gonna be gone all day tomorrow, I really need to pack it today. So today is a big packing day and carrying all of these heavy things down the stairs and trying to pack up my car. And I also have a paper that's due tomorrow. It's only gonna take me like half an hour to write, but I do need to write that today. And yeah, other than that, I might have some like work going on. I'm still revising my novel. I'm waiting on the next round of feedback from my beta readers right now. I'm also actually beta reading for someone else. So I started her project last night, so I'll probably read some of that today also. And yeah, so let's just get going with the day, see where this vlog takes us. I feel like I have to mention this though. Did you guys watch Game of Thrones last night? Yeah, I won't spoil it here in case you haven't seen it or if you don't watch the show. It was crazy. It's funny. I heard that it was gonna be like an hour-and-a-half long episode and it's the big like battle scene, and I was like, how are they gonna make a battle an hour-and-a-half long and not have it be boring? I sat in the same position. I didn't move for an hour-and-a-half, and then when it was over I was like, oh my god, like what time is it? Like what just happened? It was good. It was real good. Also, if you missed it, I had a video go up yesterday. It was a reading wrap-up of all the books that I've read in like the last 3 months. So I'll leave that down below in the description if you want to go check that out. So I'm gonna go change and get going. I actually might go to the mailroom first and bring my stuff back here and then go to the gym because right now I feel kind of nauseous and I don't want to run right now. Hopefully one of these works. Got back from the gym. It's in this angle cute. Oh my god, my legs are like shaking. I did a leg workout, obviously. It just made me realize that the like number one thing, oh my god, like leaning forward is making my legs like shake. Number one thing I'm gonna miss about going to school here is the gym, because the gym here is a lot nicer than the gym that I go to back home. So yeah, I'm gonna go make a protein shake and then take a shower, and then we shall get started with the packing extravaganza. A lot of people are moving out right now because I think tomorrow is the last day that you can if you aren't graduating. Like you have to be out by tomorrow. So a lot of the like sidewalk space and the parking lot behind us is like already full with people trying to load their cars. So I'm kind of waiting until they're gone before I try and pull mine up so I can pack my stuff, because I'm kind of in a hurry to pack, but like not as much as they are. I'm gonna go make a protein shake because it's 1 o'clock and I still haven't eaten yet. I've only had my coffee. I'm taking the car over. There were a lot of people who were just sitting there with their cars in the way, so we'll see how close I can actually get to my building. I'm already sweating. This one is so heavy, I don't even know what's in it. I am
thoroughly sweaty now. I don't know why I bothered going to the gym today. I could have just done this. I'd say over the last 4 years, I've probably had to move myself like in and out by myself, like completely. Maybe 4 or 5 times. And I always forget how hard it is until I do it again. But I moved most of the stuff over, at least everything I'm gonna do today, and I threw out one of those big drawer plastic things that I don't want anymore. I've had it since freshman year. It's broken anyway, so I'm not gonna use it at home. I'm sweating so much right now, oh my god. So I'm going to get a Starbucks as a reward for myself, and because I'm hot. Oh my god, I'm gonna sweat off all my self-tan. It's a good thing it's already been 2 hours. It's hard because my car is leaving on Wednesday, but I'm still here till Sunday, so I'm trying to get this balance of like getting rid of everything that's not totally necessary, and especially all the heavy stuff that I don't want to take on the plane, and then also like figuring out what stuff I'm gonna need here. So my plan is to fit as much stuff in here as I think I can, mail whatever I can't home, and then the rest take on the plane with me in my 2 big suitcases. I still am gonna have to move over my bookcase and my TV. Those things were heavier than I thought they were gonna be, those big bins that I took out here. The second one, the big one, I was struggling. I had to like set it down, take a break a couple of times. But yeah, I think I'll put the TV and the bookcase in here tomorrow because I still want to use my TV for one more day.
Oh my god. It's like 7 o'clock now. I just got back from dinner with one of my friends. Everyone wants to go to this like sketchy little bar tonight, and I just am so tired. I just don't want to, but I feel bad not going because we're all about to graduate and leave, but I also just don't want to go. So we'll see. We'll see. I still haven't written that paper. Haven't even looked it up, so honestly I think I'm gonna force myself to do that right now. I really don't think it's gonna take me more than like 30 minutes, and I keep putting it off for literally no reason other than laziness. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna pull it out. I'm not gonna get up from the spot until I finish it. That literally took me like 15 minutes. I have no idea why I put that off for so long. Now, I don't know what I want to do. I'm so tired. I like can't even keep my eyes open. I think it's because I worked out and then I did all of that moving, and now my body is just exhausted. Like it's 7 o'clock and I've already burned so many calories today. That's usually like what I burn by the end of the day, and I still have so many hours left in the day. But I haven't even like uploaded any of the clips that I filmed today yet, so I might do that and just start editing this vlog now. And then I kind of just want to go to bed early because I'm so exhausted. And I might make another trip out to my car just to take some of my books out there because I want to get all of my books in the car before obviously I take the bookshelf. I already started to clear it out, but as you can see there's still a ton there, and then that bag over there is full of books. I just haven't found a good way to carry them all down there because one of those big tubs that I took out earlier was like full of books and it was so heavy I couldn't carry it. So I'm trying to find the best way to carry them all down there because they're so heavy. Alright, this actually isn't that bad. I'm gonna try and find another bag so I can take 2 bags of books down there. I totally forgot I had this gym bag, so I guess we'll see what I can fill this with. Oh, this might be a bad idea. We're gonna do it anyway. So it's a lot later. It's like 9:30. I just got off of FaceTime with my mom. My grandparents just made it to my house because they're also flying down here for graduation. They're gonna be here Thursday night. So I was just saying hi to everybody and seeing my dogs because no matter how much I beg them to bring my dogs to see me, they won't do it. Irritating. It's crazy. Friday is baccalaureate and then Saturday is commencement, and I'm flying out on Sunday to go back home, and I start work on Monday. And then we've got like a ton of other events. This is our schedule for the week. I know I have to go to this like reception for my major. I have to go to a reception for Phi Beta Kappa. Then we have the president's reception, and we have this like dinner at his house where we get to carve our name into his bookcase, which is like a really fun tradition, so I'm excited for that. Then there's this like coffee and pastries brunch kind of thing. And one of my friends rented out this brewery, which is like 40 minutes away, and like all of us are gonna go and have a party there after graduation on Saturday. So that's all the stuff that's coming up. It sounds exhausting and like a lot of socializing. I hate big events like this. I'm just ready for this weekend to be over, but I know my family's very excited about it. It's more about them than it is about me. All I know is it's gonna be a lot of pictures, a lot of hugging, my mom's gonna cry, I'm just gonna be exhausted. It's gonna be great. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop in a movie and have a glass of wine and then just go to bed. I'm so lame. Knowing all of this is coming up, I'm saving my energy for all of that. I'm such an introvert. Actually, I think I was watching Ella Enchanted like a couple of days ago and I never finished it, so I'll just watch the rest of that movie. But yeah, I guess I'll end the vlog here so I can just edit it, and I don't really think you need to see shots of me laying in bed watching this movie. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this little bonus vlog, even though it really had no purpose. I just kind of missed vlogging every day. I'm just so used to it now. It felt kind of weird not to do it. It's a Monday. This is when I usually start them. But anyway, if you're not already, subscribe to my channel if you want to. Content is usually better than this one. If you want to follow me on social media, all of those links are down below in the description, and you know, you guys get the gist. Whatever, I'll just see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye.
So hit me. So hit me. So hit me. First a confession. With you, I feel a connection. With you, it's